Number system and number operations. 5th class active math. Lead app book term 1 part 1. Practice question number 1. 1.1 Insert commas in the following numbers according to the International Place Value System. After 3 digits from right side, we put the commas in International System. 7,000,000, first one, 7,847,326. Second one, 873,640. Third one, 98,353,076. Fourth one, 230,890,654. 1.1 Write the numbers for the following number names. A 327,642,602. Solve. 327,642,602. B 54,070,312. C 515,922,011. D 131,747. 1.3 Write number names of the following numbers according to the International Place Value System. A 58,234,875. Ones place 5, tens place 7, hundreds place 8, thousand place 4, 10,000 place 3, 100,000 place 2, millions place 8, 10 millions place 5. B 2,165,365. In ones place 5, tens place 6, 3 is in 100 place, 5 is in 1000 place, 6 is in 10,000 place, 1 is in 100,000 place, 2 is in million place. C 12,730. Ones place 0, tens place 3, hundreds place 7, thousand place 2, 10,000 place 1. D 658,645. Ones place 5, tens place 4, hundreds place 6, thousand place 8, 10,000 place 5, 100,000 place 6. 1.4 Write the number names of the given numbers in both the Indian and international systems. First, we put the commas in Indian system. Of first 3 digits, we put the comma. Next, after two digits, we put the commas in Indian system. Place 4, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousand place 5, 10,000 place 4, lakhs place 8, 10 lakhs place 7, 78 lakh 45,004. In international system, put the comma after 3 digits. Three digits, we put the commas in international system. 7,845,004. Ones place 4, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousand place 5, 10,000 place 4, 100,000 place 8, million place 7. B. Indian system. We put the comma after 3 digit first, next after 2 digits from right side. 60,77,890. Ones place 0, tens place 9, hundreds place 8, thousand place 7, 10,000 place 7, lakhs place 0, 10 lakh place 6. International system, we put the comma after 3 digits. 6,77,890. Ones place 0, tens place 9, hundreds place 8, thousand place 7, 10,000 place 7, hundreds thousand place 0, million place 6. Indian system, 7 crore 93 lakh 8,605. Ones place 5, tens place 0, hundred place 6, thousand place 8, 10,000 place 0, lakhs place 3, 10 lakh place 9, crore place 7. International system, 79,308,605. Ones place 5, tens place 0, hundred place 6, thousand place 8, 10,000 place 0, 100,000 place 3, million place 9, 10 million place 7. Indian system, 80 crore 7,12,309. Ones place 9, tens place 0, hundred place 3, thousand place 2, 10,000 place 1, lakhs place 7, 10 lakh place 0, crore place 0, 10 crore place 8. International system, 800,712,309. Ones place 9, tens place 0, hundred place 3, thousand place 2, 10,000 place 1, 100,000 place 7, million place 0, 10 million place 0, 100 million place 8.